we got this printer. This is Epson Expression Home XP4200. This printer is multifunctional printer. Print resolution 5760 by 1440. This printer, in terms of connectivity, you can connect this printer using Wi-Fi direct, Wi-Fi network, and USB cable, high-speed USB cable. 6.1 centimeter LCD screen, so that for you to select any particular feature you want. Okay. And what is inside here is the ink cartridges. Ink cartridges 604, magenta, black, and also this end is yellow and cyan ink cartridges. And this is the power cable. This one is 3-pin power cable. Some country use 2-pin, but this one got 3-pin. Let me show you what. So this is the power cable, 3-pin power cable. And this is the information pack. See what it looks like. It's not heavy. This is very light and compact. Expression Home XP4200. Okay, now from the back, just gonna remove the packages. Okay, so this is the rear paper tray. This is the rear paper tray. And if you have any paper jam, hold this together and remove it, and check for any paper jam and debris here. So hold this together and remove it. Check inside and open it up. Okay, so this paper tray can load various sizes of paper, photo paper, A4 paper, 4x6, various size. Okay, so rear paper tray. And this is the scanner, flat bells scanner. You can see what the scanner looks like. This is the scanner, flat bell scanner. And this is the LCD screen, like I said earlier. So for you to be able to see what is inside. And this is the ink cartridge holder. It's just by the corner here. Once you switch this printer on, it will move away from the corner to slightly to the center for you to be able to change or install the ink. So once you print the document will rest here. So this is the overview for this printer. You can see what it looks like.